Hi, this is Holly Sauder, the Outreach Coordinator for Geauga Park District, and I'm going to start sharing a series of videos and projects with you to do backyard nature crafts. So today we're going to start off with a really fun and easy one, and it is making nature names. We're going to find nature in our own backyards and spell out our names or any special message that you want to make. So the pieces that you need are a piece of heavier paper. If you don't have something heavy like a cardstock or a poster board, look in your recycle bin and maybe there's the back of a cereal box that you could use. You need a bottle of glue, a pencil, and a basket of nature. I walked around my backyard and picked up just things I found on the ground or just picked a few blooms from some early spring flowering. I didn't take the whole flower to make sure our early pollinators had something that they needed. And just put this all here and we're ready to have fun. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to write the word or name that you want to decorate. So since I already did my name, I'm going to make a special message for our state. O-H-I-O. So now what you're going to do is you're going to come through and trace each letter with your glue. I recommend only tracing one letter at a time so that your glue doesn't get too dried up by the time you get to the end, especially if you have a long name. So let's start with our O. You got to let the glue get to the top of the bottle. Now we're just going to trace that O. Here's a little crafter tip. I'm going to leave the glue bottle on its side so that the glue stays towards the top. Alright, so I have these beautiful hyacinths. Oh, they smell so pretty. That's why I didn't take the whole thing. And I'm going to pull the petals off one at a time and glue them around my O. I'm finding that I have to flip the petals over because the curve works better to glue it this way. And no worries if you didn't catch how we did it or what all the supplies were. We're going to post an instruction sheet so you can have it written down with photos as well. We're like half a petal short. Find one more little petal. Gonna slide that right in there. Doo-doo-doo. Oh! Now we need to figure out our next three letters. So let's do our H, same thing. But wait, we didn't dot the I. So imagine the great moment at a football game of the Ohio State Buckeyes, and here comes the I. Boop. And there we have our nature names saying Ohio, because we're proud of our state. So I hope you enjoyed making a nature name. There's always lots to do in your own backyard, and I'll post another project later on this week. Thanks for watching. Bye.